Kids. Welcome to Knee High Kids Circle Time. How are you doing today? My name is Miss Porter, and look who I have here. I have Charlie Brown. He's going to visit with us. And I have Kobe and Carter. They're joining us again today for another fun circle time. Have you been counting? Have you been counting your numbers or practicing? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting so good at this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Do you want to do that again? Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You're doing so awesome. I am so proud of you. All right. Now, let's go over our days of the week. You ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. All right, let's do it again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Good job. Look, Charlie Brown's trying to give you a hug. He's going, yay! Okay? Now, let's go over our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Now, what month are we in? What month is this? I'll let you guess. Is it January? No. Right, let's ask our friends Kobe and Carter. Is it February? No, not February. We're still in the month of May. Very good. We're in the month of May. Good job. All right, you did so good today. Now we're going to go over today's lesson. We are going to go over some sight words. We learn of alphabets, and we've drawn some of our alphabets. So now we're going to go over some sight words. Now our first sight word is boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Let's do that again. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay? Here's another word. Sunset. Sunset. S-U-N-S-E-T. Sunset. Okay? Let's say that word again. Let's spell it. S-U-N-S-E-T. Sunset. Good job. What's this word? What's this word we went over today? Boy. Very good. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay. And then there's, what's this word? Sunset. Starts with an S. S-U-N-S-E-T. Sunset. Very good. Okay. This word is clap. Can you say clap? Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. Clap. The baby is clapping. This word starts with a B and it is buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Let me hear you say the word buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Very good. I am so proud of you. You're doing so well. Now, what was this word that we just said? Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. And then our next word is buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Okay. This word starts with a T. It's turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Can you say the word turtle? Turtle. Very good. Let's sound it out. This word is smile. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Okay? Let's go over this word again. It starts with a T. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. And then this word is smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Good job. You are doing so well. Let's sing a song. Do you want to hear a song? Okay. Here we go. And I want you to sing along with me, okay? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." How many are there now? 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." All right, we're down to 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now we're down to 1. 1 little monkey. He's still jumping on the bed, Mama called the doctor, and what did the doctor say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Did you enjoy that song? Yes, that was a whole lot of fun. Now, let's do another word. This word is cow. Starts with a C. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Okay. This is a leaf. Starts with L. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Very good. All right. What was the word that starts with C? Cow. Can you say cow? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is leaf. L-E-A-F. Starts with the L. Leaf. Very good. You did so good today. You get a good job. You did a good job today.